are?
Yeah.
They're from Grammy and Papa.
That's who Grammy.
Say, look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, what else do you got in there?
Have.
In there. Thanks, babe.
This is to my pay. Ooh, this is pretty. My outfit.
A new outfit?
Yeah, a beautiful. You want it?
I don't want it. It won't fit me. It's for you. Set it down. Okay, what else is in there?
This is my present. I want this is my favorite. This is my present.
It's your present?
Yeah. And my present is the Grammy. And then my who bought me the book? I remember what you opened this.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. No, we can't open the presents. Just take the stuff out that's not wrapped. What's that? Put them under the tree. You going to put your presents under the tree?
Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful to me. How about me hairband too?
Look at all those. You want to wear one tomorrow?
Yeah. Let me pick them up. Sick.
What else is in your box?
Maybe I know this one.
You already have one like that because Grammy already bought that one once before.
I got it. Maybe I know
Now you have 3 of the same. And Grammy bought them all. You hear that, Mom?
How come we knew towards this one? We didn't pick out tomorrow too.
Grammy did. See what happened when Papa sleeps in? Grammy goes to Kohl's.
See what
Ooh, that's cute.
you like it?
I like it.
This is to my outfit.
You wear it to school, huh?
Yeah.
Those look like new jammies.
Yeah. This is not new jammies.
Those are nice. What's on there? Guitars?
They're right here. PJs. 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 You like those PJs?
Mm-hmm.
And I the same. A baby. You like this?
Mm-hmm.
With all my presents.
Okay, can you say thank you, Grammy and Papa? Look at the camera.
Thank you.
Say love you.
I love
Say see you soon.
you. See you soon.
Okay.
See, look at these pants. Yeah.